What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. I am currently in Malibu, California, celebrating my birthday, and I've had such an incredible time here. This is my first time in Malibu, and it is so stunning, just such a beautiful place, and I'm so happy and so thankful to be here, and thought I would show you guys my Airbnb that I'm staying at currently. And it's just so beautiful. It is 100% my aesthetic completely. There's nothing that I don't love about this place, and just the area itself. It's so breathtaking. If you have a chance, I would definitely recommend Malibu. It's definitely a place that is inspirational and just so calming and relaxing. I love being next to the ocean and the beach and having that as my view, and waking up in such a beautiful and breathtaking place, and I could not be more thankful to just be here and experience this. So I wanted to share this with you guys because it's something I'll definitely probably always remember, and why not share it with you? So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys an Airbnb tour of my Malibu stay. So I'm hoping to also be doing a lookbook while I'm out here and showing you guys what's been happening so far. So I'll definitely start doing that, but I hope you guys love this place as much as I do. First, I'm gonna start on the outside and the exterior of this beautiful house. It's literally on top of a hill, like a mountain cliff in Malibu, and all the smog that you see, you're literally in it, so it's so insane. But here it is. Here's the place. It's just so beautiful. It's so beautifully furnished. Like, the Airbnb owner really did an excellent job of just making this place so comfy and cozy and relaxing, and it's honestly worth it. Every second that you have to spend here, it's so worth it. I would not trade it for anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the interior of the house, which is like, I don't know what my favorite part is, honestly. I don't know if it's the outside, if it's the inside. Everywhere is just so beautiful. I'm just surrounded by beauty, and it's incredible. So let's go ahead and walk inside. So when you come inside, these are the sliding glass doors. Beautiful ocean view, palm trees. And when you're entering, this is the little coffee table. Have your breakfast, morning coffee. This is the couch, beautifully decorated. I really love the walls here. I really love the walls here. I think that the way that they designed this was so beautiful. I love the aesthetic. I mean, it's like every Instagrammer's dream, am I right? So here's the bed, which is so beautiful. I love white linen sheets. It's how I want to wake up every morning. They have a really cute artwork hanging up here. This is the little kitchen. You got your microwave, your fridge, complimentary coffee, and this is like, in here is washer and dryer, which I find extremely useful because I'm always needing to rewash my clothes, different outfits and such. I love the plants here and the white wall, like it's so pretty. Little office desk. And here is a mirror. So cute though, like look at the outside of this mirror. How adorable. Right now I'm just wearing an LA, Los Angeles bodysuit from Windsor and some yoga pants. That's the fit for today. Before I got here, did some hiking. Okay, hello, look at this lighting. Gotta appreciate good lighting when you got it, but like natural lighting. Natural lighting is for sure my favorite. Did some hiking in LA at Runyon Canyon before we got to Malibu. And here are some very cute little patio seatings here. I've definitely sat here in the morning just to take in the view because it's so gorgeous, so stunning. How could you not love every single part of this place? It's just absolutely beautiful. It's so weird because I used to have like these dream boards and these vision boards of what I wanted for my future and what I envisioned I would have, type of car, and the type of place I'd live. And for some reason, I always thought that I would have a beach house in Malibu. And so it's kind of interesting being here and being like, I wonder if that would change or if it would stay the same. And honestly, I don't know. I think Malibu is so beautiful. I've loved every second being here. Even though I'm not used to a colder climate for some reason, even when it's kind of chilly outside, I'm wearing a bodysuit and it's a little bit cold, freezing, but for some reason, like, I can tolerate it. And I love it. Like, I want to be at the beach every second that I can. I'm kind of sad that I didn't go to the beach yet, but it's just so beautiful. It's almost unreal. It's like, wow, God did this. You know what I mean? God created all of this, and it's, my goodness, he is an artist, just an absolute masterpiece. And a lot of times I think as I've gotten older, my interests and my likes have changed. I used to be like, oh yeah, I would drive this fancy sports car and live in this bad and bougie mansion or something. And over time, I think I've definitely got more simpler. Not that those dreams have ever changed or the desire has changed, but I can appreciate things not only just at a large scale, you know. I would choose a view like this over a sports car. Just the opportunity to be near the beach. The beach has always been such a calming and relaxing place to me, very therapeutic, and just a place where I feel like I can let go of any problems that I have and just be in the moment and just admire the beauty and watch the waves hit the shore and feel like everything's gonna be okay, you know? It's just so beautiful, and I I don't know how you could trade that for the world, to be honest, but I'm not exactly sure if I did the best job of doing an Airbnb tour, but I hope you guys liked it. This is such a phenomenal place, and I wish I could stay. I wish this was my place, actually. I'm so in awe. I'm very, very grateful and just appreciative, and I think it's healthy to step outside of where you're at and get a new perspective, and that's why I like traveling. I like to have fresh perspective, and I like to see what different lifestyles there are in the world, and to see the way that other people live, and even experience bits and pieces of it, maybe not entirely fully, and see how I want to design my life, you know, because we are all designers of our own lives, and it's so easy to fall victim to our circumstances. It's so easy to not be able to see anything outside of what we know. When you position yourself to expand and to experience life at different levels and to just see a change in environment and scenery, I think it plays as a big motivator and a big inspiration for what's possible for you too. You know, not just that you're eyeing other people that are living their best lives, but that you can see that no matter where you are in life, that there's possibility everywhere. Thank you for my TED Talk. Thank you for tagging along for like my TED Talk. I don't know why I got super deep and emotional right there, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm extremely happy just to be here and to experience this, and I'm thankful for the lessons, what I've learned here, and to bring that back with me for my everyday life and apply it and just work really hard to create the life that I want for myself. So I hope you guys will have the same ability and opportunity to do that for yourselves too. Be able to at any time breathe fresher air, have a change in scenery, and just see life in a whole new perspective. Alright, I love you guys so much. Thank you for joining me in my journey and for always being so positive and supportive. I'm so grateful to share these moments with you and hopefully contribute positivity in some kind of way in your life. Alright, I'll check back in with you guys in the next video. Bye guys.